I didn't feel strong after I lost my job from a car accident. I felt replaceable, so I started drawing again. Not wildlife, not anything meaningful, just anything. But eventually I drew a gorilla mom, and that choice says a lot about my healing than I thought it would. There was a time I thought I lost everything. After the accident, I couldn't work the way I used to, so I lost my job. It wasn't dramatic, it was just quiet, but that quiet really undoes you. I remember thinking that if someone can remove me from their company, what control do I actually have? I reached a point where I felt like my life didn't have meaning. But then I asked myself something simple. When was the last time I was happy? And it was when I was a kid, drawing. So I picked up the pencil again. Not with a plan, not with a business, just because I needed to feel something. I didn't start with wildlife. I drew random things, fan art, people, anything to get my hands moving. Because I love wildlife so much, I was actually scared to draw it. When you care deeply, you're afraid to mess it up. But then I realized something. I was already starting over. So what was I protecting? My pride, my perfection. So I gave myself permission to draw what I loved. And then I finally decided to draw wildlife. I chose a gorilla mom, and I've thought a lot about why. I think it started with my love for Tarzan. That fierce protection that Kala showed moved me to tears. And when I started to watch documentaries, I was really struck not just by their strength, but by their intention. They protect their family. If you're in the season of rebuilding, I have a free community linked below where you get to vote on which animals I draw and should add to the collection. It's for people who want to start over, wildlife lovers, nature lovers, people who want their homes to reflect what they care about. I'd love for you to be part of it. I wasn't rebuilding in a loud way. I wasn't making big declarations. I was just choosing myself in small ways. Holding on to the pencil, holding on to meaning. And now this gorilla mom represents protection, belonging, family, resilience. That's the kind of energy I want to bring to a home. This piece is available as a downloadable print because I want art to be accessible. You can print it for your living room, kids' room, nursery, gaming space, wherever strength is needed. And 10% of every sale goes to conservation effort because wildlife should extend beyond the home. I didn't feel strong when I lost my job, but starting over taught me something. Strength isn't loud. Sometimes it's choosing to begin and to. If this resonated with you, join my community below. Vote on the next illustration that can have a personal impact. And if this gorilla family represents protection, the print is linked in my description. If you like this video, comment the gorilla emoji if you watched all the way through so I know you watched the whole video. If you like this video, watch how I designed this whimsy pattern when I was told my art was too whimsical to belong.